Anthropic just released a new model. It is called Claude Opus 5 and it is a big deal. It gives you top level smarts but at about half the price. It is fast, it is careful, and it is built to be used every single day. Let's break it down. Here's the main idea in one line. Opus 5 comes very close to their most powerful model, Fable 5, but it cost about half as much. On coding test and knowledge work test, it is now the best in class. The one place it still trails is cybersecurity. We will come back to later. And you can see here, $5 is the input cost and $25 is the output per million. 2.5x faster in the fast mode versus the default speed, and it is a new default model on Cloud Max and Pro. Let's see where Opus 5 fits in the family. At the very top, you have Mythos 5 and Fable 5. Those are the frontier models for the hardest task. Opus 5 sits right below them, but here's the trick. It reaches near that top level of smarts while staying priced like a daily workforce. The mix of smart and cheap is what makes it special. Now let's talk on code. On a hard coding test called Frontier Bench, Opus 5 beats every other model and it more than doubles the score of the older Opus 4.8. On top of that, it does it at a lower cost per task, so you get better code for less money. That is a rare combination you will see in the AI industry. Talking about the knowledge, it's not just about code. On general thinking and business tasks, Opus 5 leads to. On one puzzle test, it scores 3 times higher than the next best model. On a business task test from Zapier, it passes about 1.5 times more tasks at the same cost. And even on its lowest effort setting, it still passes more tasks than any other model. Now, talking about the effort, Opus 5 gives you one simple dial called effort. Turn it down and the model runs fast and cheap. Turn it up and it thinks harder and goes deeper. So you are always in control. Need a quick answer? Use low effort. Working on something tricky? Turn it up to max. Same model, your choice. Talking about science and creativity, Opus 5 is also a stronger scientist. It beats the old model on every life science test. They ran the biggest jumps were in chemistry and protein work, and it makes much better visual tools. It can draw airflow over objects, build games and 3D scenes, and makes cleaner slides and charts. So it helps with both the science and the art. It's what really stands out. Opus 5 checks its own work and keeps going until it gets its right. In one test, it could not even see a drawing, so it wrote its own tool to read the picture pixel by pixel. In another, it found the real cause of a bug, not just the surface problem. And when it had nothing to test against, it built its own test tool. Real teams have been using it early and they are impressed. One team called it the biggest leap since Opus 4.5 with the best animation they have seen. Another said it topped their leaderboard without using more tokens. A coding tool team said it feels near frontier at Opus speed and cost. The pattern is clear. People trust it with bigger jobs. Now, being smarter is not enough. A model also needs to be safe and honest. And here, Opus 5 shines. In their safety audit, it is the most aligned model they have ever made. It follows the rule better than the old models and it has the lowest rate of dishonest behavior. Its misbehavior score is just 2.3. Lower is better and that is the best of the group. On safety side, on purpose, Opus 5 does not push the frontier on risk abilities. Take this cyber test. Opus 5 is almost as good as Mythos 5 at finding weak spots in code, but when it comes to actually building an attack from them, it is held way back on purpose so it can help defenders without becoming a tool for attackers. Anthropic added careful guardrails too. On cyber tasks, it can find bugs in code, but it blocks the riskier stuff like building attacks. On biology, it is now their best model for research with limits on most sensitive work. And if a request gets flagged, it can fall back to another model instead of just failing. So, how do you use it? Opus 5 is available today on every platform. The price is $5 in, $25 out per million tokens. There is a fast mode that runs about 2.5 times quicker. It is now the default on Claude Max and the strongest model on Claude Pro. Just pick it and grow. So let's wrap up. Opus 5 is top tier smart built for every day. It leads on coding and knowledge work. It costs about half the price of the Frontier. It is the most aligned model they have made. and you can use it right now. If this helped you, please like and subscribe for more simple AI explainers. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next video.